Hey YouTube, HTML Tim here. This is what the Pulsar text editor looks like out of the box. Pretty nice, actually. And it's got this menu up here, but I don't really like how the menu kind of adopts like the default Chromebook kind of menu. It doesn't really go with this. So what I've been doing is I've been going to my settings, going to the core here, and just hiding the title bar. So you can change it to hidden. It'll ask you to restart Pulsar, and then the title bar will be hidden. Oh, I'm giving you a hint what's coming up. So it's going to start back up. So with the title bar hidden, this is what Pulsar looks like out of the box. And yeah, it's pretty good. And if I do Control-Shift-P, I can get all the commands I want. Control-P to find the files. And I can just use the keyboard to move around. But you might want a menu that is more in line with the Pulsar theme. So there is a package for that. So I'm going to bring up my settings here. And if I go to my packages here, you'll see this package, Title Bar Replacer. I'm going to enable that. And look at that. We've got a nice title bar that's in line with the theme of Pulsar. So to do that, all you do, again, go to Core, go down here. You've got the title bar. Just make sure that's hidden. But then you want to go and install this package, Title Bar Replacer. So you just type in title bar, and it comes up Title Bar Replacer. Install that package, and you've got a nice theme-specific menu for your Pulsar text editor. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, could you please give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel. Thanks for watching.